Hello everyone, hopefully you will be fine. So today in my video lecture I will demonstrate you about the old mango orchard layout technology. So I will tell you some of the advantages and disadvantages of the old layout mango orchard technology. So in our old layout mango farms, the plants are really not very closer to each other. The plants normally are at a distance of around 20 to 25 feet far away from each other. But the heights of the plants, on the other hand, are as much very high at the distance of 15 feet, or in some old orchards the heights are up to the length of around 25 feet. So such kind of orchards are sometimes very productive, but sometimes these get into a very unproductive orchards. The problem is that in such kind of orchards, the height of the plants is really uncontrollable. So the major advantages that happens during the harvesting are the problems of the fruit damaging from that very high orchards. The fruits sometimes get damages because it is very unapproachable and unpractical to harvest the fruit from such a great height. The other thing is that it's really get very difficult to do pruning of these orchards because it contains a dense mass of branches. Some of these branches consisted of unproductive branches, that is consisting of the unjudicious use of the food, because food is going to the productive branches and unproductive branches. Ultimately it affects the production capacity of the fruit and of mango plant. But the good thing is that such kind of orchards are really very resistant to the windy days, because in our arid zones we experience really very high windy days and we experience storms. That's why the farmers got very high losses from these storms, and the dropping of fruits is being observed during these days. Another disadvantage from these high dense orchards is that there is the light is not penetrated enoughly within these dense canopies. So these canopies are experiencing the high attack of insect and pest. So due to such problems and such conditions, we experience a high incidence of fungal diseases and really high losses in our fruit production by fruit damaging, because it affects the quality of the fruit and it drops its market value. So that's why now most of the farmers in the Pakistan, Punjab areas are coming towards the ultra high density mango farms in which pruning can be done efficiently, plant height can be controlled efficiently. So this is really a problem.